In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time period in Asana. This is really useful if you want your reporting, goals, and workload views to line up with the way your team actually works, whether that's by calendar year, fiscal year, or custom timeframes. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you have the right level of access. Changing time period settings is typically an admin level action, so you'll need to be an admin for your organization or workspace. If you're not sure, you can check with whoever manages your Asana account before you continue. Once you're in Asana, look toward the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or a photo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace. From that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Admin Console. If you don't see this option, it likely means you're not an admin in that particular organization, and you'll need someone with admin access to follow these steps instead. Assuming you do have access, selecting Admin Console will open a new panel or page with all the administrative controls for your Asana organization. Inside the Admin Console, look for the Settings section. This is where you can manage a variety of organization-wide preferences. Click on Settings to open those options. You might see several tabs or subsections here that cover things like security, billing, and general preferences. Within the settings area, locate the option called Time Period. This is the section that controls how Asana groups time for goals, reporting, and other organizational views. Click on Time Period to open the configuration panel. Now you'll see on-screen prompts that guide you through adjusting your time period settings. Follow those prompts carefully. You may be asked to choose between different options, such as calendar year or a specific fiscal year start month, or to confirm how you want time periods to be displayed across your organization. Take a moment to read each description so you understand how your choice will affect your dashboards and reports going forward. After you've made your selections, confirm or save your changes. Once saved, Asana will apply the new time period settings across your organization. That's all you need to do to change the time period in Asana.